Welcome to Review Rondo Tech YouTube channel. To get regular updates of our videos, kindly subscribe and tap the bell.
If how we spend our days is always connected, staring at our screens, well, that will be how we spend the rest of our lives. You see, as humans, we are vulnerable, and our smartphones are engineered to use these vulnerabilities against us. This is why we've intentionally designed a phone to be used as little as possible. It's a phone that encourages you to leave behind your smartphone, to spend that quality time doing the things that you love the most. We call it going light. Almost 3 years and 10,000 phones later, we find ourselves asking, how can we go light more often? How can we go light for good? Introducing the Light Phone 2. A beautiful matte display, 4G connectivity, and messaging. We are rethinking what an operating system can be. A few essential tools, thoughtfully implemented, and a pleasure to use. Maybe an alarm clock, a ride home, a playlist, or some simple directions. These are tools, not feeds. It's a phone that actually respects you. Light was born as a refreshing alternative to the tech monopolies. We don't want to be made to feel that we're not enough. We believe objects can empower us, can help us appreciate our lives even more. We are humans, and we're taking back our lives.